Hopefully this isn't for me tomorrow. They're like golf ball sized hail. Well, today is the day. Starting October with the rain. It is not nice out for sure. But we got our stuff packed up with the rain gear, and East Coast isn't going to come to me, so got to keep going. Don't know how far I'll make it, but I'll make it somewhere. So here we go. How are you, train? About halfway done on the day. Oh man, it is freezing. It's like -1, and the rain just sinks to your soul. It's just damp and wet, and farmy, trainy, and cold. Just pouring rain. Absolutely pouring. What a pile up. Just brutal, man. Look how deep it is in the shoulder. Just terrible. Oh my gosh, man, that was frigid. My hands aren't working at all. Oh, what a rough day. It's always kind of fun though in the rain. I find that if I kind of get in that mindset and get in the groove, that I can just power through and just keep going and keep going and keep going, and then as soon as I stop, even for like a break, I just, nope, that's it. So I had to make sure I kept going till I got to Lexington, it's called. That's where I am right now. So 105-ish kilometers, and yeah, made it over 3 weeks without a rain day, but that was a brutal day for rain. It wasn't just a sprinkle, it was a flash flood. So hopefully it's not like that tomorrow, but gonna rest up and get some food and try and warm up a bit. So thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Keep it not so bad. Talking to you. Bye now.